Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Hazet 903 SPC/3 power socket set 1.3 centimeters. This is 0.5 Zoll. Long style for impact operation, made in Germany for professional automotive garages. And of course, this is for your DIY garage too. Oh yeah, especially for mounting and dismounting wheels. For example, you can use it for alloy rims. I did it and I like it. With plastic inserts to protect the surface of the wheel bolts. In the past, before I bought this set, I damaged my alloy wheels a little bit. So many scratches because of the metal nuts I was using before. Now I'm using this plastic insert nut set, and this protects everything. Outside plastic sleeve, and this should be replaceable, but I do not think how will this work. Maybe it's only one time lock. If it's broken, you can slide back in position to replacing. Maybe so. I don't know why or how it works. This is to protect the rims when screwing the wheel bolts. And this is really awesome. Colored, coated plastic sleeves facilitations finding the correct socket size. And this is awesome. You can use the different color types to see what nut measuring, what size of the nut is there. This is nice and easy. And the drive square, it has a hollow of 12.5 millimeters. It is a ½ inch. And the output side, the outside hexagon traction profile. And the numbers of the tools are 903 SLG 17. This is the 17 nut. 903 SLG 19. This is for the 19th nut. And 903 SLG 21. This is for the big one of this set. And you can see here, this is my tool to replace the bolts of my alloy rims, and you can only dip it on top of the bit holder, and then you can use it easily. It is really easy, and you can see I can hold the plastic side, and the nut inside is rotating. That means there is a so nice and easy protection with this nuts. I like it really. And the colorful power is so easy. If you used this set a couple of days, you can see what size is in there by using the color. That is nice and so high quality. Really, it is a nice socket lock, and it is easy to get in and get it out again. I like it really. This is a nice set by Hazet. Long style for impact operation, of course. You can use it on your socket wrench too, or your torch wrench. You can use it all because it has a ½ Zoll or ½ inch socket for this. So there it is, easy to use, nice quality, and the item weight is 33.3 gram. Product dimension is 8.5 to 6 centimeters, and I like it. And you will like it too. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And see you next time again. Soon.